Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming account health. Make sure your profile is public, verified with phone or email, and free of temporary restrictions. Then remove private clips or duet stitches that limit distribution because the algorithm favors open content. Next, optimize your bio with 1 to 2 clear niche keywords and a recognizable profile image. This helps the system categorize you quickly. Once done, post a short, native video using vertical 9:16 format to begin feeding fresh signals into the algorithm. You must focus on immediate engagement. Build a 1-3-second visual and verbal hook that delivers the promise. Then pair that hook with a short caption containing 1 or 2 target keywords so discovery aligns. Use a trending sound, full speed or 0. 5. Because audio trends amplify reach, and keep videos tight at 15 to 30 seconds for completion rates. Make sure to add readable captions on screen and finish with a clear call to action. Once you do this, watch for early watch time signals. Finish the process by establishing a short burst schedule. Post 3 to 5 times a day for 3 to 5 days to generate enough data. You then analyze the top 2 performers and /B test thumbnails, captions, and sounds, iterating within 48 to 72 hours to capitalize on momentum. If you still see 0 views, try troubleshooting. Remove recent hashtags, switch from desktop upload to mobile or vice versa. And if necessary, report a platform bug. Make sure to give the system fresh, clean.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.